Excuse me, I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. No way. I'll... Take it out for a bit. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's no good at all. There's an awful lot of cat hair. Oh, I see. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's my parents' house. Yes. Oh.
It's my parents' house. Should I? W-wow.
Oh, a cat. Yes. Cute. It's P.A. That's right. It's P.A. Yes. Oh, he's over here. This is Ra-chan. Oh, Tora-chan. Tora-chan is 19 years old now. Wow. That's a really long tree. Tora Ra is pretty. Ah, cute. This position is cute. Super cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's springtime. The second floor is the studio, and this is the living room. Yeah, it feels like a living space. Oh, it's spacious. Originally, my father was there, and my grandparents were there too, so there were 5 of us living there. But then my parents got divorced and my grandparents are gone. But now my mom and 2 cats live there. Wow. It's huge. It's definitely impressive. Can I take a look? Over here. Oh, yes. This one isn't that big at all. Oh, wow. The entire area by the window is covered with cloth for the cats. I put it there. That's right. They're there during the day. And here. Oh, it's the best. Yeah, it feels so good. And the way they move is so cute. Oh, here we go. Please come over. For the photo shoot. By the way, what is this? We're preparing a huge amount of samples for this. Oh, I see. There are still 4 more cardboard boxes. Here. This is it. Oh, I see. These are all comics. I'm signing each and every one of these. I've been preparing them for the day, and I've got...
Sino naman po ang for the motherland? Noli,
Andy.
sino naman po ang may pag-ibig? Noli, sino naman po ang tinulungan ni Viola? Si Noli. Sino naman po ang tinulungan ni Ventura? Si Elfie. Lumabas yan. Okay? Pag naman po tinanong, sino ang main character ng Noli? Si Crisostomo Ibarra. Sino naman po ang main character ng Elfie? Si Simon, the wealthy jeweler. Okay? Pag naman po tinanong, social cancer, sino yan? Noli. Saan inspired si Noli? Sige nga, saan inspired si Noli? Kay Uncle Tom's Cabin. Ano yun? Sinulat yon ni Harriet Beecher Stowe. Okay? Again, saan inspired si Noli? Uncle Tom's Cabin. Inspired. Sino yan? Sino sumulat dyan? Si Harriet Beecher Stowe. Saan naman inspired si Alfili? Inspired siya sa The Count of Monte Cristo. Sino sumulat?
Alfili.
Alexander Dumas.
Alexander Dumas, The Count of Monte Cristo, which was inspired by Fili. Al Filibusterismo is The Count of Monte Cristo by Alexander Dumas.
Okay? So, that's about El Fili and Noli Me Tangere. Next. Sonnets of Rizal. First sonnet written by Rizal to the Virgin Mary. Okay? The sonnet that shows Rizal's first testimony and his presentation of his nationalisms. That's to the Philippines.
Parang to the Virgin Mary yung first sonnet. To the sonnet presentation is to the Philippines.
Of Rizal were in Spanish.
Spanish.
Yan, ha. Detention Hall of Rizal, Fort Santiago. Okay?
Fort Santiago.
First language of Rizal, Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Next.
Tagalog, first language of Rizal, Tagalog. The jail kung saan nakakulong si Rizal is Fort Santiago. The first sonnet is to the Virgin Mary. Tapos, the first parang poet that showed his nationalism is to the Philippines.
Ito natin ang Rizal Specie Collections. Okay? Grabe ka Rizal. No? Lahat na lang ginawa mo. Kaya tuloy nahihirapan ang takers ngayon. Ha? So, we have Apogania beetle. Okay? Apogania beetle. Draco, flying dragon. And then Dracophorus,
Apogania beetle,
tree
Draco.
frog. Okay? So, paano ba natin i-memorize to? A,
ADR.
D, F,
AD.
R, T. Apogania beetle.
ABDF.
Draco, firefly, flying dragon.
Draco, firefly, flying dragon. Tapos, RT, Rhacophorus tree frog. Apogania beetle. Apogania beetle. AB, DR ba? DF, Draco flying dragon. Then RT, which is the Rhacophorus tree frog. Rhacophorus tree frog. So this is, ano yun? AB, which is the, nakalimutan ko, Apogania beetle. Nakalimutan ko. AB, Apogania beetle. DF, which is the Draco flying dragon. Or dragonfly. RT is Rhacophorus tree frog.
And then Rhacophorus tree frog. So, tinanong niyo po, dapat alphabetical sila. A, B. It follows an alphabetical order, no? A, B, D, F,
RT.
R, T. Diba? And
AB,
then ano ba to?
Apogania
Spatomils,
beetle,
Wrestle.
Draco
Okay,
flying
Spatomils,
dragon.
Wrestle.
RT
Ano tong
is
Spatomils? Ito po yung
Rhinoceros
handsome beetle. Okay?
tree
Kaya na
frog.
ibang tawag dito? Handsome.
Spathomeles,
Sana all
handsome
guwapo. Handsome beetle. Malinaw yan?
Handsome
Yes.
beetle.
So again,
Spathomeles rizali.
ABDF, RT, Spatomils, Wrestle. That's handsome beetle. Okay?
Spathomeles.
Next. Oy, bakit nasali ko lahat dito? Meron ding Cardiodactylus rizali. Cardiodactylus rizali. Ito po ay cricket.
Cardiodactylus
Teka lang
cricket.
delete ko muna itong mga sinulat. Okay? Ayan. Ito naman po ay cricket. Ito po ay handsome. Handsome
Spathomeles
beetle.
rizali.
Okay?
Handsome beetle.
Cricket.
Cricket.
Pakiringkus rizali.
Spathomeles
Sino naman po
is
ito?
handsome beetle.
Pakiringkus
Cardiodactylus
rizali.
is
Ito naman
cricket.
po ay kuto.
Kuto.
or weevil.
Weevil?
Weevil or tawag dito rice. Lice. Rice.
Lice.
Oh, di ba? Yung kuto na nasa bigas. Pakiringkus rizali. Di ba? Next. Wala na, no? So,
Some
eto na yung
crickets
lahat.
prefer
Ay,
rice.
hindi pala. Meron pa yung in-honor si Rizal, no? Pag-usapan natin later. Again,
A, B.
how do we remember these? A, B, D, F, R, T.
A, B,
At
D,
tapos,
F, R, T. Some crickets prefer
crickets
rice.
prefer rice. Ganun na lamang, no? And some,
Some
that
crickets.
is spatomils.
Spatules.
And some spatomils. Crickets,
Pachi-
cardio. O, di ba? Crickets,
Cardio.
Ano naman po? Prefer, pakiringkos, rice, weevil, rizali. So, ABDFRT, some crickets prefer rice.
SC prefer
That's how we remember
rice.
this, okay?
Some crickets prefer rice.
Yes, we have to make ways, no? Again, ABDFRT, some crickets prefer rice. Sige nga, tingnan natin nang wala kayong tinitingnan. Okay? Kaya ba? ABDF, RT, some crickets prefer rice. Tandaan niyo po yan ha. Some crickets prefer rice.
ABDF, RT.
Apogania, B.
Apogania beetle. RT. Rhinoceros. No. Oh, Rhinoceros. Tree frog. Tapos yung A, B, D, R, basta no, R, Draco,
D. Draco. F.
Draco.
Flying dragon.
DF.
R. Rhacophorus. T. Tree frog. Okay? Spatomils. Hanson. Cardio. Crickets. Okay? Tapos, some critics prefer pakiringkos, last, weevil, kuto, rice. Okay? So, ABDFRD, some critics prefer rice.
Wait, no! Perfect. Bye. No. Look.
Di ba? O, next. Ito naman po yung mga species na pinangalanan in honor of Rizal. Una, Rizalia biodoval. Ito po yung butterfly. No?
Rizalia
Butterfly siya
biodoval.
niyang genus. Ito naman po ay B. Heterostylum naman po. B. Species
Heterostylum.
Ano po?
Heterostylum.
Elydros beetle. Risalina, that is beetle.
Elydros.
And then Risalina, that's smooth or gamu-gamu. Okay? Gamu-gamu.
Rizalina
Ayan.
moth.
So, sir, gawin mo naman ang paraan. O, sige. Mnemonics here. Ayan. Bibi.
Bibi, hebe, eli, bet, Rizalina moth. Bibi, hebe, eli. Ano ba yun? Paano bibi? What reason?
Heavy. Elibet, Risalina moth. Ayan. So, ano pong ginawa ko dito? Basta, Bibi, Heavy, Elibet, Risalina moth.
Bibi.
Pag hindi mo maalala, gawin na lang nating royal butterflies. Di ba? Humble bees, eager beetle, and then royal moth. Eh, ganyan na lang, no? Again. Pwede ba?
Bioduval.
Balik kasi
Bibi,
yung royal, no? So, gawin natin ang paraan. Okay.
Bibi.
Royal butterflies. Tapos, humble bees, no? Tama? Humble bees. Humble bees. And then,
Humble bees.
eager
Ba't humble?
beetles. And then,
Royal, humble, eagle.
anong pwede sa moth? Yung mga gamo-gamo. Ready kasi sila lagi, no? Ready moth. Ano yung ganito na lang? Ready moth. Ayan. Sige. Royal butterflies, humble bee, eager beetles, ready moth. Diba? Ready ka na ba? Yes. Or kung prefer mo to, baby happy, Elibet, Risalina moth. Baby, bakit? Biodoval butterfly. Heterostylum beetles. Eli,
Bibi, hebe, Bibi, hebe, elai, bet, Rizalina moth.
Eli, beetles. Diba? Risalina moth. Okay? So, that's how it works. Ang kailangan ma-memorize natin to. Rizal, no? Ikaw ang pambansang kalaban ng taong bayan. Okay, so, laban na to. All the girls Rizal loved before. Napag-usapan naman natin ang mga babaeng minahal, sinaktan, pinaligaya ni Rizal noon. Una! Rizal wrote for her using invisible ink made with water and salt. So, sino kaya ito? It's Leonor Valenzuela. Okay? Leonor Valenzuela. First
Rizal.
girlfriend of Rizal, Segunda. Siya yung
Segunda
first
Cadigba.
na Segunda. Diba?
Invisible ink made water and salt,
Greatest
Leonor
love ni
Valenzuela.
Rizal,
Leonor Rivera.
Okay? Next. Last love ni Rizal, Josephine Braque.
Josephine Braque.
Poor ala Señorita was for Consuelo. Next. A Japanese samurai daughter, that is Osisan.
Oseisan.
Girl of Rizal while annotating the successes de las Islas Filipinas by Morga. Lumabas to, no? Morga. Ayan.
Antonio Morga.
Next, Gertrude Beckett.
Gertrude Beckett.
Rizal challenged Luna into duel to protect
Who?
Nelly Busted.
Nelly Busted.
Next. Rizal's love to Brussels because of the high cost of Rizal's moved to Brussels because of high cost of living in Paris. It's where he met Suzanne Jacobi. Okay, so those are the women.
So Rizal wrote for her using invisible ink made with water is Leonor Valenzuela. First girlfriend is Segunda Katigbak. Tapos yung greatest love naman niya is si Leonor Rivera. And then last love is Josephine Brackett. Poem a la Señorita was for Consuelo Ortiga. A Japanese samurai's daughter is Osei San. Girl of Rizal while annotating the success of Las Islas Filipinas is Las Islas Filipinas was written by Antonio Morgat, while Girl of Rizal while annotating the Las Islas Filipinas is Gertrude Beckett. Rizal challenged Luna into duel to protect Nelly Boasted. Rizal moved to Brussels because of high cost living in Suzanne yung English talaga, Suzanne Jacobi.
Rizal love before. Ang lumalabas sa balisang dito, si Segunda Katimbak as the first love of Rizal, and the greatest love of Rizal, si Leonor Rivera, na sa Noli tinawag siyang Maria Clara, at si Josephine Bracken na last love ni Rizal na pinapatungkulan niya sa kanyang huling poem na Me Extranjera, no? Me Extranjera, my stranger wife, no? So that's it.
IMC.
Amiga Extranjera, Josephine Bracken yan. Okay, next. Jose Rizal is known as the first Filipino. Kanino yung sulat? Kay
Oh shit. First Filipino. It was he who started to address the Philippines as his fatherland. First Filipino. Shit, di ko alam. Hindi si Alberto Camponiga. Hindi, Teodoro Agoncillo. B or D? Ay, D! Bobo! D talaga yung nafe-feel ko, pero B yung sinulat mo. Bobo ka. Leon
Maria Guerrero.
Natakot ako. Dapat hindi ako ganun.
Maria Guerrero.
Yung
Teodoro Agoncillo na ngayon, Rizal and the Philippine Revolution. Rizal and the Revolution. Okay?
The Philippine Revolution, Teodoro Agoncillo. Rizal,
Generation without understanding. Okay?
Generation without understanding, a bit of
Generation without
understanding. Generation without understanding.
The ultimate alliance between religion and good education means what? Education without God is not true education. Very good.
Education
Next.
without God is not true. The intimate alliance between religion, good education means education without God is not true education.
Not an aim of La Liga is what? To fight the Spaniards. Again,
To fight the Spaniards.
Hindi aim ng La Liga ang fighting the Spaniards. Ano ang aim niya?
Revolution.
To
Enlightenment.
have reforms.
Reforms.
Lang
Change.
talaga. Reforma, no? Ganun lang talaga.
Reforms.
Mi Ultimo expresses that death is honorable if it's for the motherland. Okay?
Honorable if it's for the
Is to
mother.
rest. Diba? Honorable siya kapag para sa inang bayan.
Ang daming
siya.
hindi ko alam, yawo.
Mi Ultimo Dios is a 14
Mi elegy.
action valedictory blank composed of the blink of an eye before Rizal was killed. It's an elegy.
Woo!
Again,
Sure.
it is an elegy. Yeah, next. The phrase morir is descansar means to die is to
Moris es descansar. In defeat, there is triumph.
rest. In death, there is rest. Yeah.
In death, there is rest. Hindi ko na ma-feel yung bilis-bilis. In death, there is rest. Morir es
Free
descansar.
315 pesos reward? Count me in. Make your first ever deposit of at least 100 pesos or 10,000 pesos on the Marybank app and hold it for 7 days.
Adios no si extranjera, mi amiga, mi Eto, sino tong pinapatungkulan ni Rizal?
Mi amiga, mi alegria. Sino tong babae? Ito, mama is.
Si Bracken, tandaan niyo to.
Josephine
kasi nilalabas
Bracken.
ng boardings niya, no? Bracken. Josephine Bracken.
Consuma S.
Consumatum S, it is finished. Ito yung huling sinabi ni Rizal. Sagutin mo ang drills. Continue the secularization movement. Sino?
Continue the, di ko alam.
Burgos. Okay, sino
Burgos.
naman po ang
Executed Bonnie and his bro. Terrorist convention.
executing Bonifacio and his brother? Procopio. Lazaro Macapagal. Okay.
Lazaro Macapagal.
Priest who reported a KKK.
Si ano, makita ko lang yan. Si Burgos. Si di ko alam.
Government official na lang. No? Gov official. That's Mariano Hill. Okay?
Mariano Gil. Na hindi ko rin nga yan
What
alam
about the Katipunero who reported the existence of KKK? Teodoro Patino.
Teodoro Patino. Teodoro Patino yung kay KKK. Tapos, kapag yung General Governor, si Mariano Gil, tapos yung executed Bonnie and his bro is Lazaro Macapagal, then continue the secularization movement, beginning is Jose Burgos.
President of KKK?
Burgos.
Roman Basa. Very good.
Roman.
Next.
Second president is Roman Basa.
First president of Tagalog Republic, Macario Sakay. What about
Macario
for executed
Sakay.
because of the Brigandage Act? Macario Sakay pa rin yan.
Macario
What about for
Sakay.
co-founder of Philippine Independent Church? Gregorio Aglipay. What about for president
Gregorio
of Magdalo
Aglipay.
Faction? Baldomero Aguinaldo Calao.
President of Magdalo Faction, Baldomero. Kailangan natin ng like I'm making that while at the same time parang kasi kailangan mo yan First President of Tagalog Republic Act is Macario Sakay. Executed because of Brigandage Act is Macario Sakay. Co-founder of Philippine Independent Church. Maganda siya kapag gumagawa ng flashcards. I'm not. Diba? It's way much better than what you think of it is. First President of the Tagalog Republic Act is Macario Sakay. Executed because of co-founder of Philippine Independent Church is Gregorio Aglipay. Macario Sakay, Gregorio Aglipay, then Baldomero Aguinaldo.
Emilio na to. Next.
Magdalo.
President of Magdiwang Faction,
Mag-
Mariano Alvarez.
Gadome.
Si Bonifacio. Next. Youngest general of the Philippine Revolutionary Army, that's Manuel Tino E. Bundok. Tandaan niyo po yan.
Manuel Tino E. Bundok.
Next. Longest revolution, Daguhoy-ra, Lapu-Lapu, Pugi. Okay, that's
Daguhoy
Next.
Revolution.
First election.
The first election was on... Hindi ko alam yan.
Of the Philippines was held on kailan? Teros Convention, kung saan pre-novoke ni Daniel Tiro na si Bonifacio kaya nagalit. That's March 22, 18.
Sinabi ko na kasi yung August 23 is Cry of Pugadlawin. July 3 is La Liga Filipina. June 12 is the Independence Day.
March 22, 1897. Okay? Kailan ang Independence Day natin?
June 12.
1898. Okay, next. Teros Convention, meeting between Magdiwang and Magdalo resulting to the death
Of
of
Bonifacio.
Bonifacio. No? Now, before Bonifacio died, nag-issue muna siya ng isang dokumento na ang kung tawagin ay Acta de Teros.
Ano yun?
Ito ay dokumento na nag-declare na null and void ang eleksyon sa Teros Convention. Sinabi niya hindi niya tinanggap si Emilio Aguinaldo as presidente dahil may dayaan daw or hindi nirespeto. So that is, ang result niyan, patay. No? Patay si Bonifacio.
Patay si Bonifacio.
Ayan, death of Bonifacio.
Null and void.
And
Was
we
sold to
are
the
so
Spaniard to the
glad
pack
na
of
revolution was
800,000
sold to
Mexican
the
pesos.
Spaniards
Biyak na ba to?
800,000
Biyak
Mexican
na ba
peso.
to?
And at the back of that, we are being seated
First ever Republic. Kawit Republic.
sa Amerikano ng $20 million. Where was the first Filipino Republic inaugurated? It's in Malolos.
Malolos.
Aguinaldo and other revolutionary leaders
Hong
were
Kong.
exiled in kahit saan sila in exile
Hong
sa
Kong.
base sa Papabiak na ba to? It's Hong Kong, okay? Hong Kong. Next. June 12, 1898, araw ng Kasarinlan.
Kasarinlan.
Anong kinanta? Marcha Nacional Filipina. Very good.
Marcha
Sinong
Nacional
banda
Filipina.
ang tumugtog?
1.
San
Francisco
Francisco
de Malabon Band.
Ano tinanong sa board exam? Malabon Band lang ang nandun. So,
Malabon
kinalit
Band.
yan. Okay?
Malabon Band.
Lyrics
Luis
were written
Jose
by Jose Palma. And then the tone or music
Felipe.
nilapat ni Felipe Julian.
Felipe, Julian Felipe.
Okay? So, tandaan niyo po ito.
Tapos
ha?
lyrics si Jose Palma, then yung Araw ng Kasinlan, lyrics was Jose, ano ba yun? Tumutan ko.
The Philippines was ceded to the United States
Spanish
by the Spaniards in the amount of
Treaty of
$20 million.
Paris.
Tandaan niyo to. At pagkatapos nito nagkaroon
$20
ng
million.
mock battle of
Mock-
Manila Bay.
Spanish-American War.
No? Next question.
Habaytan was the last general to surrender to the Americans. Shit! Sino yan? Hindi. Si Gregorio Aglipay. Sino? Baldomero Aguinaldo?
He was the leader of the subsequent valiant attacks in Albay towns and was the last general to surrender to the Americans. A.
Okay.
Macaulay Sakay. B. Simeon Ola. C.
Alin?
Gregorio Aglipay. D. Baldomero Aguinaldo. Again, he was the leader of the subsequent valiant attacks in Albay. It's Sakay. Last to surrender, it's Ola. Okay?
Si Simeon Ola.
It's letter B.
B.
Tagalog
Mali
Republic.
ako.
This is Sakay. Gregorio Aglipay, Bishop ng Aglipayan Church. Baldomero Aguinaldo, this is Magdalo. Okay?
Magdalo. Okay. Magdalo, Baldomero Aguinaldo. Tapos Gregorio Aglipay is nakalimutan ko. Wait lang.
On. It's letter B. Tagalog Republic, this is Sakay.
Tagalog
Gregorio-
Republic, Macario Sakay, Simeon Ola is the last one to surrender to the Americans. He was the leader of subsequent attacks in Albay
Bishop
towns.
ng Aglipayan Church. Baldomero Aguinaldo, this is Magdalo.
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 Next. Mga kakunda, pag-usapan natin, baka ilabas din ang board exam. Dekalogo ng Katipunan.
Ano?
Sino sumulat? Dekalogo.
Kalam.
This is Bonifacio.
Bonifacio,
pero pag
Decalogo.
tinanong sa board exam, El Verdadero Decalogo. Sino sumulat?
Hindi ko alam yun.
Mabini.
Mabini.
Tandaan mo to ha. Dekalogo ng Katipunan.
Brains of Revolutionaries, Apollinario Maglini. Brains of the Katipunan is... Nakalimutan ko. Sino yun? Basta makita ko yung pangalan niya, ma-understand ko na. Char! Si Emilio Jacinto. Dekalogo ng Katipunan, kapag Tagalog, si Andres Bonifacio. Tapos El Verdadero Decalogo is Mabini. Kasi
Bonifacio.
Spanish.
El Verdadero Decalogo. Mabini. Next. La Independencia. Lumabas to. Antonio Luna.
La
Okay,
Independencia, La Liga,
next. La Liga
Jose
Filipina.
Rizal.
La Liga Filipina. That is Rizal. Next.
Rizal.
Trinocracia. This
Si-
is
Del
Del
Pilar.
Pilar.
O, diba?
Del Pilar. Okay? Next. Fray Butod.
Si Hyena.
Hyena naman to. Next.
Dasalan Toksohan Del Pilar.
Tugsugan. Del Pilar naman
diba?
to. Next. Acta de Teros.
Hindi ko alam.
Bonifacio naman
Bonifacio.
to. Next. Pag-ibig sa Tinangguang Lupa.
Acta de... Feeling ko this is gonna be so good kapag we're gonna get that thing again, you know. We just need to a little bit na, just learn a little bit. Just learn. There's not a single day except that if you learn a lot, then that's gonna be really, really great. Magaling talaga kasi. Galing-galing. Kailangan ko na mag-study. Dasalan na Tuksohan, Gregorio Pilar, Acta de nakakatakot to. Tignan mo, ang nakakatakot. Philocracia, si Del Pilar. Dasalan na Tuksohan, Del Pilar. Fray Botod, Hyena. Friars, Abuses, yung Fray Botod. Acta de Tejero, si Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang El Verdadero, Mabini. La Independencia is Antonio Luna. La Liga is Rizal.
Bonifacio pa rin to. Next. Alam mo Filipina.
Bonifacio.
Alam mo Bintod Filipina. This is Jose Rizal.
Jose
Nakarang glory
Rizal.
in UST to. Kundi man, Rizal pa rin
Rizal.
yan. No limitahe rin.
Rizal.
Rizal pa rin yan. Makamisa. Third novel of Rizal pa rin yan.
Rizal.
El
Alfred
Filibusterismo,
Rizal.
Next. Amor Patrio.
Rizal.
Spanish soil. Mi último adios.
Rizal.
Rizal's last poem. Next. Mi primera inspiración.
Rizal.
For mother ni Rizal. Next. Mi retiro, inlapitan, sinulat ni
Rizal.
Rizal. Women of Malolos.
Rizal.
Education ng mga babae. Next. Sa ating mga kabata.
Rizal, Buyus.
Pagmamahal sa sariling wika. Next.
Sa aking mga kabata, pag
Nina,
masal.
sino sumulat? Si Paterno. Tanay
Padre
Pedro
Ninay.
Paterno. Next,
Padre
Primo Dul.
Si
Oh.
Del Pilar.
Ay na naman yan.
Ay na putang ina mo. Joke lang. Ang dapat mabatid ng mga Tagalog, di ko
Pati
alam.
ng mga Tagalog. That is, Bonifacio pa rin yan. No? Next. Biblioteca Filipina. That is, Pardo de Tavera. Again.
Pardo de Tavera, Biblioteca Filipina.
Biblioteca Filipina.
Ninay, Padre Paterno, tapos Pardo de Tavera, Fray Botod, Del Pilar, ang dapat magbatid sa mga Tagalog, di ko alam.
De Tavera. Okay, pag naman po titulado Presidente de Republika Tagala,
Walang.
that's Bonifacio. Okay, Bonifacio. Next. Sa isang panulat tayo, magsasabi natin madlang away. Pio Valenzuela. Okay,
Pio Valenzuela.
Magsasabi natin Bini o Paralitico. Mabini. Pag sinasabi naman natin Juan Luna. Pag sinasabi natin Las Polarium, Juan Luna. Pag sinasabi natin Magdalo, Emilio Aguinaldo. Pag sinasabi naman natin Dimas Alang or Laong Laan, Agno, Rizal. Pag sinasabi naman po natin Plaridel, Dolores Manapan, Siling Labuyo, that is, Del Pilar. Very good. Pag sinasabi naman po natin Dimas Ilaw Pingkian, Emilio Jacinto. Okay? Pag sinasabi natin Alcapito Bagong Bayan, May Pag-asa. That is, Andres Bonifacio. Next. Tikbalang Naning Kalibulako, Mariano Ponce naman yan. What about for Tagahilo? Antonio Luna yan. What about for Diego Laura? Graciano Lopez Haina yan. What about for Jose Maria Panganiban? That is, Jumapa. Okay, what about for Pinkian or Dimas Ilaw? Emilio Jacinto. What about for Brain of the Katipunan? Jacinto. What about for Brain of the Revolution? That is, Mabini. Okay, Mabini. Next. Which term means affectionate one and is the type of character that
Carissimo. Carissimo.
most Filipino
Graciosa.
women is being associated. A. Pilosopo. B. Carissimo. C. Cariñosa. D. Graciosa. Sige, ang mga babaeng Pilipina ay Cariñosa. Okay?
Hala, Cariñosa.
Yun, letter C tayo dito. Next.
Mali ako.
Order food you love with Food Panda. Download the app and order now.
Food Panda?
Kung nasa labas ka, magastos. Pero kahit nandito ka lang din sa bahay, magastos rin. Grabe, no?
The separation of black and white people is termed as
Apartheid.
apartheid.
Alam ko!
Apartheid.
Spak
Kung
my
saan natin
ass.
ang American intervention in the Philippines. May 1, 1898.
May 1,
Manifesting Destiny. Okay? December 10, 1898. Nagkaroon ng benevolent assimilation.
May
Sino ang
1.
presidente dito?
Si
Si?
McKinley.
McKinley. Okay? Tandaan niyo po lumalabas sa
May
bansa.
1, 1898, Manifest Destiny. On the ways of Manifest Destiny. There's nothing we could do. Tapos December 10, Benevolent Assimilation. Okay.
Ang presidente
Maganda talaga
si
dito kapag may
McKinley.
ano.
Tandaan niyo po yan. Next. Nagkaroon ng Philippine-American War
Philippine-American
kailan?
War.
February 4, 1899. Anong incident yun? Sa bridge.
San Juan Bridge shooting in February 4.
Philippine-American War started February 4, 1899.
1899. San Juan Bridge
Pinatay
incident.
ng 2 American soldiers killed they killed 3 Filipinos. No? Kaya nagkaroon ng gera. Ender of Spanish regime. So,
End of Spanish regime is the Declaration of Independence in 1898 kasi kung Spanish.
ano Under ng Spanish regime, Spanish-American War. Okay?
Ala, akala ko declaration eh. Yun na again. Hindi pala. Kahit independence, hindi tama. Spanish-American War is that what's it
Ito
ended?
yung mock battle kung tawagin nila.
Na makbata.
Yes.
Na mali ako.
So, Death of Luna,
June
1899,
5.
Honyo, 5. Death of Goyo, December 2, 1899. Aguinaldo,
Death of Luna, June 5. June 5. Death of Goyo, December 2. Aguinaldo was captured in Palanan, Isabela.
captured in Palanan, Isabela.
Palanan, Isabela.
And held by Macabebe Scouts ang mga
Macabebe
nag-aresto sa
Scouts.
kanya.
Ay, yeah, I know that.
Macabebe Scouts.
Macabebe
Okay?
Scouts.
Noong March 22,
Macabebe
1901.
Scouts.
March 22, 1901.
March 22, 1901.
22, 1901.
March
Okay?
22, 1901. December 2, 1899 was the death of Goyo. Death of Luna is 89. Ando, magkasunod lang. So, they were, kaya nga there's a whole thing about them. So, sure. Ayun.
So, that's it. American period tayo. Military, civil, and Commonwealth.
Military,
Governor
civil,
Generals,
and
tandaan niyo po
Commonwealth.
ang Mall of Asia. Si Merritt, Otis, and Arthur MacArthur. Okay?
Merritt, Ortiz, and Arthur MacArthur.
Otis, Arthur MacArthur.
So, military governor generals is MOA, Merritt, Ortiz, Arthur MacArthur. American period is MCC, which is military, Commonwealth, yawa ka.
Ito po yan ha. Next. First and only Field Marshal of the Philippine Army, that's Douglas MacArthur. Next.
Douglas MacArthur.
Civil Governor Generals, that is first Howard Taft. Last Murphy. Tandaan niyo po yan kasi first and last lang ang lumalabas. sa
Okay, so
laptop.
civil governor generals, yung first, si William Howard Taft. Last is Frank Murphy. Kapag civil governor generals, first is Cillian Murphy. Cillian Murphy, yawa ka, mali ka, buisit ka. Hindi. The first civil governor general is William Howard Taft. Tama ka talaga. Last is Frank. So, W, when yung first, last naman is fail. So, first is William Howard Taft, which is win. Tapos, last naman si Frank Murphy, which is fail. Ano ba?
No? Civil Governors, that is Taft for the first one, last for Murphy. Tandaan nyo, civil ito. Ang military kanina si Mirin. Okay? Next question. Building of modern public schools throughout the Philippines
Was what? Building of modern public schools throughout the Philippine Act was Tidings McDuffie, Gabaldon Act, Payne Aldrich, Hair House Cat.
implemented by what act? A. Hair Horse Cutting Act. B. Tidings McDuffie. C. Gabaldon Act. D. Payne Aldrich Act. Sige nga.
Ano nga ang answer?
Okay ba tayo dyan?
Because I'm so scared of guessing it. I'm always wrong.
Ayan. Si modern public schools. So, modern public schools, that is Gabaldon Act. Ano ba kasi itong Payne
Mali
Aldrich? Ito
ako.
po yung para siya.
Kapag modern, Gabaldon Act. Building of modern public school throughout the Philippines was. Wala, kailangan natin yan malaman. Tangina. Nakakatakot to Kailangan natin yan malaman.
Free trade. No? Partial, ibig sabihin may quota. Quota system siya. Say for example,
Aldi siya, quota.
tatanim kayo ng palay, dapat makaabot kayo ng 50 sako ng bigas para
Aldrich,
kayo sa Amerika,
Gabaldon,
no?
Tidings McDuffie.
Pinalitan ba yan, sir? Yes. Pinalitan to ng Underwood Simmons Act. Nagiging
Underwood
full
Simmons Act.
free trade.
Full free trade.
Nagiging full free trade. Ang Tidings McDuffie Law, ito yung tinatawag nating Philippine Independence Act, no? Ito yung
Tidings McDuffie is the Philippine Independence Act. Gabaldon Act is the Modern Public School. Here, di ko rin
10-year
hairs.
transition ang binigay sa Pilipinas, no? 10-year transition.
10-year transition.
Ito din po yung Tidings Macdofilo. Kaya lang, ito po ay galing kay Osmeña Rojas.
Osmeña and Rojas. Kaya kasi I've heard about them, but I'm really wrong about it kasi I've forgotten it already. Oh, all I know, loving you is a losing game. Ooh. Tapos, ano pa ba yan? So here, host cutting years between Osmeña and Rojas. Tidings McDuffie is the 10 years transition of Philippine independence. Gabaldon Act is the modern building Philippine schools. Tapos Payne Aldrich Act is real the free tradings, yung pang boycota. No, Free Tradings Act, something full free trade.
Ito naman pong tidings, ito na po during Quezon. Quezon, okay?
During Quezon.
So, malinaw, Gabaldon Act tayo dito.
Yeah,
Next.
Gabaldon Act.
Terms to remember, we have Payne Aldrich Tariff Act and
Payne partial
Underwood,
free
7.
trade, there is quota. Partial free trade, there is quota. Payne Aldrich Act. Payne Aldrich Tariff Act. Simmons Underwood.
Act. So, full free trade, sinabi ko na kanina.
Simmons
10-year
Underwood
transition.
Act.
Philippine Independence Act ang tawag kay Tidings McDuffie, no? Bell Trade Act, ano to? Ito ay sikat dahil sa tinatawag nating parity rights. Ano ba itong parity rights?
Yung American.
Ang mga Pilipino daw, ang mga Amerikano daw, kapantay lang nila ang karapatan sa paggamit ng natural resources ng Pilipinas.
Yes.
Oo, parity rights, no? Less to no tariffs on imports from US. Tapos fixed exchange rate of peso to dollar. That's all about the Bell Trade Act. Next, ang Jones Law naman po, dito nanggaling ang bicameralism.
Anong
Ano itong
bicameralism?
sir? Ito po yung two chambers.
Two chambers.
Ito yung two chambers ng ating pamahalaan, no?
Judiciary.
And dito sinaad sa preamble na ang independence bibigay lang kapag kayo ay magkaroon ng stable government.
Jones.
Grade levels during the American period, 7 years elementary, 4 years high school. Pag-usapan natin ang mga remarkable women. Kayo ba to? Yes. Gregorio Montoya, this is the Joan of Arc ng Cavite.
Joan of Arc of Cavite, Gregorio Montoya. Kailangan ko talaga ng actual parang gumagawa ako ganyan. Tapos kaya kinakailangan. I feel like I'm really happy, Sige na.
Okay?
Tapusin na lang natin to.
Magbanwa naman po, this is the Joan of Arc ng mga Bisaya.
Bisaya, Magbanwa, Joan of Arc. Gregorio Montoya, Cavite naman ng Joan of Arc.
Kahabagan naman po, Joan of Arc ng mga Tagalog.
Tagalog,
Pag
Kahabagan.
dito, Banwa, Bisaya, yan.
Magbanwa,
Tagalog yan.
tapos si Greg Montoya, Cavite.
Cavite yan. Texon naman po, anong nagawa ni Texon? Red Cross, okay?
Red Cross, Texon, Red
Ayan.
Cross.
Next. Guerrero naman po, Josefina Guerrero, leper spy.
Leper
During
spy.
Japanese period po, si
leper
Josefina
spy.
Guerrero, siya po yung nag-map ng
Josefina
landmines kasi
Guerrero.
po may leper siya, may leprosy siya, so hindi siya lalapitan ng mga Hapones. Kasi nakakahawa yan, di ba? Next, Gabriela Silang, siya naman po yung asawa na nagpatuloy sa adikain ni Diego. No? Goliath naman po, ito po yung asawa ni Bonifacio na gatekeeper ng Katipunan.
Gatekeeper.
Maria Clara, siya naman po yung pinakamamahal ni Crisostomo Ibarra. Next, Marcela Agoncillo, siya naman po yung tumahi sa Watawat. Cory Aquino, siya naman po yung ina ng demokrasya.
Cory Aquino, ina ng demokrasya. Marcela Agoncillo, siya yung nagtahi sa Watawat. Maria Clara, siya yung di ko alam. Goriang, siya yung gatekeeper ng Katipunan. Gabriela Silang, siya yung nag-continue ng legacy ng kanyang husband na si Diego Silang. Tapos si Guerrero, siya yung nagpumatay ng mga Japanese. So she has a leper spy, she has a leprosy. So nakakahawa yun. Texas naman, siya naman yung yung nag-start ng Red Cross. Tapos kahabagan, Joan of Arc of mga Tagalog, Magbanwa, Joan of Arc of Bisaya, Gregorio Montoya, Joan of Arc of Cavite.
Melchora Aquino, siya naman po yung ina ng Katipunan.
Melchora Aquino.
Alonso, siya naman
Aquino, siya yung ina ng mga Katipunan.
po yung nanay na nagluwal kay Rizal. Nanay ni
Teodoro
Si
Alonso,
Sisa
siya yung
naman po
nag-give
ang
birth kay Jose
simbolismo
Rizal.
ng Filipina abused
Sisa.
mother.
Filipina abused mother si Sisa.
Filipina abused mother. So those
Filipina
are
abused
the
mother.
women in history na remarkable sa kanila pong ginagawang serbisyo sa bayan. Okay? Next.
Well done.
Sabi ni Ma'am Michelle, bakit walang naituro sa amin sa lahat ng yan? Sure, Ma'am. Kaya nga nandito kayo, di ba? That's why you review. That's why you are here. Dahil maaari hindi na ituro to sa inyo o nakalimutan nyo lang talaga, no? Don't worry, no? I'm here. Do not worry. Okay? Not question. Bravest general of the Philippines
Lord
during the American period, it's Antonio Luna.
Antonio Luna, putang Antonio
President
Luna.
of Katagalugan, that is Macario Sakay.
Macario Sakay.
Commonwealth, pag-usapan natin. Who is the president? Wait. Commonwealth, ang papasok sa isip natin dito ay si Quezon, di ba? Si Quezon. Commonwealth, ibig sabihin, pantay na karapatan para sa pantay na kayamanan para sa mga taong bayan.
Pantay na kayamanan sa taong bayan, which is the Commonwealth. Commonwealth, which is the first thing you could hear is Quezon.
Diba? Si Quezon, sa Commonwealth po, in-establish ang mga bagong syudad. Social justice, nakapagboto na ang mga babae, nagkaroon ng census, nagkaroon ng military training. Sa Commonwealth, lahat yan. At dito, pinakamalaga, nagkaroon po ng labor rights. Tandaan niyo po ito,
Labor rights. Pero na ako gana.
Ang social justice, pwede na bumuto ang mga babae. Okay? Ayan. Sinong vice president dito? Si Osmeña. Okay? Next. Who is the president known for the Indigenous Peoples Act? Ground.
Oh! What the gosh? Okay. Okay, so we're making this up. Indigenous
Indigenous
Act.
Peoples Rights Act.
Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act.
Lumabas to sa March 2025 ata, no? Tuwang-tuwa ang aking mga review dito. It's Ramos.
Woo! Ramos!
Oh, hindi si
Si
Magsaysay.
Marcos, hindi. Si Aquino, hindi. Duterte.
Ramos. Okay? Ramos po, hindi si Magsaysay. Okay? Next. Pag-usapan natin ang Philippine President. Sige nga. Wait. Bakit? Oh, sige. Ayan sila lahat, oh. Now, pumili ka sa kanila, magpapadrill ako. Nothing on my screen except those people. Now, magpapadrill ako, sasagot ka lang, pipili ka lang dyan, okay? At subukan mong sabayan, okay? Sige, I will make this country great again. Sinong nagsalita dyan? Marcos Sr., okay? Undisputed General, Emilio Aguinaldo. No wang policy, Benigno Aquino. We have a strong republic. Arroyo. Okay, what about for shortly serving president? Osmeña. What about for the puppet president? Laurel. What about for father of social justice? Quezon. What about for Bill? Duterte. What about for first Mindanaoan president? Duterte. What about for Ama ng Masa? Erap Estrada. What about for Guy of the Masses? Magsaysay, the first Asian transformative leader. Magsaysay, colonization of the Philippines. Magsaysay, incorruptible president. Magkapagal, transfer the independence from July 4 to June 12. Magkapagal, what about for sertipiko sa Pilipino? Magkapagal pa rin yan, Pilipino muna. Garcia, what about for social justice? Quezon, what about for Social Security Commission? Quirino. Okay, what about for ina ng demokrasya? Cory Aquino. Kung may ina ng demokrasya, merong ama. Sino ang ama? Bonifacio. Pero hindi siya presidente. Okay? What about for Daang Matuwid? Ninoy Aquino. What about for Pilipinas 2000? Ramos. Ibra Ramos. First Ilocano president. Quirino. Infrastructure man. Marcos Sr. Okay? Bagong Pilipinas. BBM. Nakasagot ka ba doon?
Oh.
Yes. Now, without anything on your screen. Sige, without anything
Shit,
on your
yawa ka talaga.
Presidents of the Philippines,
Ito ko to! May hook ko yan.
Pinapa-order ba namin ang Philippine presidents? Actually, hindi. Hindi naman po pinapa-order ang Philippine presidents. Dapat alam mo kung ano ang ginawa nila. Yun po ang pinakamahalaga dyan. Dapat alam mo kung ano yung mga ginawa nila. Okay? So, drill tayo. Philippine president, subukan lang natin ulit. Pag hindi mo masabayan to, ulitin mo lang na. Okay? Sige, ready ka na ba? Yes. Undisputed president. That is Emilio Aguinaldo. What about for the father of social justice? Quezon. What about for the shortest serving president? Osmeña. What about for the first Ilocano president? Quirino. What about for the puppet president? Laurel. What about for first Mindanaoan president? Duterte. What about for our I will make this country great again? Marcos Sr. What about for Bagong Pilipinas? BBM. What about for
Marcos, I will make this country great again. Make America great again. Girl, shut the fuck up! Girl, shut the
Pilipinas 2000? Ramos. What about for July 4 to June 12 independence? Macapagal. Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act. Ramos. What about for Guy of the Masses? Magsaysay. Those who have less in life should have more in law. Sinong nagsabi? Magsaysay. We have a strong republic. Arroyo. Okay? People of the Philippines. Sino yan? Arroyo. What about for Social Security Commission? Quirino. Okay? What about for NLSA? Quezon. What about for Lasedeco? That is Quirino. Okay? What about for Nara? That is Magsaysay. What about for Carlo? Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law. That's Cory Aquino. What about for 70-30 sharing? Rojas. Okay? Prepare the Philippines after World War II. Rojas. Tandaan niyo po yan ha. What about for the Wangwang policy? Benigno Aquino. Bakit no Wangwang? Kasi hindi siya nag-asawa. No? Hindi siya nag-asawa. No Wangwang policy yan. Okay? What about for Pilipino muna? Garcia. Okay? Infrastructure man. Marcos Sr. The Golden Age of the Philippines. Magsaysay. Okay? Magsaysay. First Speaker of the Philippine Assembly. Sergio Osmeña. Incorruptible President. Macapagal. Sertipiko sa Pilipino. Macapagal. Abolish the Philippine Tenancy Act. That's Macapagal pa rin yan. Man of the masses. That's man ha, hindi ama. Man. That's Magsaysay. Father of the masses. That is Erap Estrada. Nasabayan mo ba yun?
Hindi!
Yes. Papasaba. Yes. Kaya pa ba? Yes. Buhay ka pa ba dyan? Yes. Lumalaban pa ba? Yes. Makit ba ang ulo? Yes. Sumasabog ba ang utak? Yes. That's normal. Okay? Huwag niyo lang pong pilitin. Huwag niyo lang pong huwag niyo pong ipit ang sarili ninyo na at the point susuko na kayo, no? Hindi po kasi first two lives, the first two sessions, so kailangan niyo pong magbigay ng leeway naman po sa sarili niyo na ma-process ang lahat ng to. Kaya hindi ko na lang po dadamihan. I will end here na lamang sa Philippine Presidents para maipagpatuloy natin sa susunod pang mga session ang tungkol sa topic na ito. Okay? So, okay pa ba kayo dyan?
You're too smart to wait forever for your money to arrive overseas. Make it a no-brainer with Wise. You could pay for an inflated exchange rate, but most provide right.
Hello, magbasa nga ako dito sa
Alay, may Ed Center, yawa kayo.
Team Facebook, kung okay pa ba sila. Pahingi naman po ng puso dyan. Kung okay pa tayo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan na comments. Scary pa, sir. Mag-rewatch na lang talaga. Ayan. Sige. So, hindi lang natin muna dadamihan sa ngayon ha. So, let's take it easy lang. Let's take it step by step. Kasi baka manibago ang iba. Okay? So, laban lang, no? May irarakos din natin to. So, ipagpapatuloy natin, no? Kasi marami naman talaga ang social sciences. Napakalawak niya. At hindi natin kaya na ituro lahat sa isang upuan lang. So, we'll continue this next session. Okay ba? Ayan, pati naman po ng comment section kung okay pa ba tayo dyan. Buhay pa ba? Ayan.
Hindi ka, kasi bobo na nga talaga ako, mamama.
Sir, pahingi na lang ng kanina. Actually, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi lahat ng alam ko, this will be transferred talaga sa utak mo during the board exam. No? During the board exam, you will remember me talking. You will see me talking dun sa mismong pagsasagot mo ng exam. Just take this review seriously, okay? Sige. So, ipagpapatuloy natin to next time. Pero, bago natin ipagpapatuloy, mag-drill from the top muna tayo. Okay ba kayo? We'll have a drill from the top. Okay? Ano yun, sir? Yes po. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-end nang hindi tayo nag-drill from...
Gagi! Anong SDGs? Yawa kayo.
Okay pa ba kayo dyan?
Hindi, bullshit.
Ano sir, akala namin magtatapos na tayo, hindi pa. Ito yung nagsiset sa atin apart di ba? Yung magpa-drill tayo mula simula patungo sa kung ano yung panghuling ng apple natin. Okay? So, lalaban ba? Yes. Papasa ba? Yes. Ito na bang huling board exam natin? Yes. Sige, simulan natin ang atin pong drill from the top. Okay? What's our mnemonics for the Philippine United Nations Sustainable Development Goals?
PRZ.
PCHQ, GCD,
PZHQ. GCD.
RSCON, Clipil Justice, Partnership, ano yung pang-apat? Quality Education. Ano yung una?
No poverty.
No poverty. Pangalawa, zero
Hunger.
hunger. Okay? Pag last naman, partnership. Okay? Partnership. Pag sinasabi natin natural formation, ginagawa ba siya ng tao? Hindi. Hindi. Ginagawa siya ng kalikasan. Okay? Pag sinabi naman natin anim na kasali sa UNESCO's World Heritage ng Pilipinas, ano yun?
Tara, Philippines.
DPH, BCB.
BCB.
Tubataha, Palawan,
Tubataha,
Sabtilanya,
Palawan,
Namigitan, Mountain Ranges,
Ten Ranges.
Barok Churches,
Anong churches? Barok
City of Vigan,
City of Vigan.
Cordillera,
Barok.
Erasis. Tandaan niyo po yan. Okay?
churches.
Tara Philippines, BCB. Pag sinasabi naman natin yung Filipino traits, pag sinasabi kong crab mentality, kanya-kanya.
Kanya-kanya.
Pag sinasabi natin Lingaskugan, ano yan?
Ah,
Lingaskugan.
isa una lang.
Sa una, ikaw ba yan? Hindi, kasi nandito ka pa rin hanggang sa kahuli-hulihan. Pag sinasabi naman natin, mamayani yan,
Manyanahabi.
naman yan. I am superior, ethnocentric.
Ethnose.
Sino lang ba ako?
Sinocentric.
Okay? Kami personal, extreme personalism naman yan. Pag sinasabi natin, kahit sira na, aayusin pa rin. Remedyo, attitude. Magaling ba ang Pilipino dyan? Yes. Tayo ay happy people, cheerful. Ambivalent na attitude, yung nagsasabi ng bahala na.
Bahala
Okay?
na.
Again, bahala na is positive and at the same time negative. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya, ambivalent. Okay, malinaw yan? Yes, pag-usapan natin ang pinagmulan ng mga Pilipino. Pag sinasabi natin wave migration theory, sino ang pinagmulan? Payer. Okay, Payer. Sino na? Downmen. Umalis ba sila?
Yes.
Sino ang original settlers? Aitas.
Aitas.
Sino naman sumunod? Seafarers in the nest. Ang panghuli?
Malay.
Malay. Malinaw? Yes, malay mo, papasa ka, diba? Pero kinontra ko yan. Yes, Nino, ni F. Landa Hocano.
F. Landa
Ano ang kanyang
Hocano.
theory?
Core population.
Theory. Ano ang pinaniniwalaan?
Ovulation days.
Ano pinaniniwalaan?
Ovulation days!
That is evolution. Tayo nagmula daw sa Tabon Man. Okay?
Tabon
Doon sa
Man.
Tabon Cave sa Palawan. Okay? Pag naman po social classes during the pre-Hispanic era, sino ang
Pimpi!
pinakamataas?
Ay, joke lang.
Maharlika.
Datu, datu.
Yung
Timawa.
mga jowa, Timawa. Sino naman po ang pangatlo?
Alipin.
Alipin. Okay? Dalawang klase ng alipin. Ano yan?
Alipin sa
ng bahay
gilid at
alipin
alipin sa gilid.
Kapag may bahay ka,
Sa may bahay.
nakamahay ka. Pag sa gigilid, nasa
Sa
kay
master ka.
Okay? Saan sila nakatira lahat? Sa isang barangay. Ilang pamilya ba ang isang barangay?
100.
30 to 100 families.
30 to
Okay?
100
Pag
families.
gumagawa ng batas ang dato, kasi siya yung pinaka-powerful, di ba?
Dato.
Pag gumagawa ng batas ang dato, sino naman po ang
Ah,
nag-a-announce ng
mula
batas?
alumaho
Si
na
town
yun.
crier, si Oma Luhukan,
Oo,
or
Oma
si barangay
Luhukan.
announcer. Ang
Oma
kanilang
Luhukan.
relihiyon umiikot sa paganismo at
Animismo.
Ang kanilang punishment doon umiikot sa
Third trial ordeal.
What about their economy? Umiikot sa
Barter.
trading.
Tradings.
Pag-usapan natin ng traders. Pag nasabi natin orang dampuan, sino yan?
Orang dampuan.
Vietnam
Vietnam,
people.
orang
Pag nasabi
dampuan.
naman natin Barger Machine, sino yan? Yes.
Chinese.
Barger Machine, Indonesia. Pag
Indonesia.
nasabi natin Ming Dynasty, kanina yan?
Chinese.
Chinese. Okay, Chinese. Again, sino yung pinaka-head nila noon? Dato. Pag walang dato, maharlika. Pag walang maharlika, raha. Pag walang raha, nobles. Mga walang bayag. Very good. Okay? Walang bayag. Ang eskwelahan nila noon, ano ang tawag?
Botohan.
Butuan.
Butuan.
Okay? Ang ating system of ranking noon, ano?
Baybayin.
Ang tawag? Baybayin. Pag walang baybayin, alibata. By the way,
Alibata.
sino ang nagpa-practice ng mummification in the Cordilleras?
Si
Mga Igorot.
Igorot.
For the tattooed people.
Panay. Pintados.
Pintados. Okay? Pintados, tattooed people. How do we seal our friendship with others noon?
Sunduguan.
Okay? What about for... saan nag-originate ang dowry?
Tauris, India.
Yeah. Okay? Engagement in the pre-Hispanic era. Ano yan?
Ay,
That is betrothal. Okay?
Betrothal.
Betrothal. Mga terms to remember noon, pag sinasabi natin mai, ano yan? In
gold.
Mindoro. Okay? Pag sinasabi natin Arab missionary na nagdala sa Islam
Makdum,
sa Pilipinas
Makdum.
noong 1380. Makdum. First Sultanate ng Pilipinas,
Si
Sulu. Okay?
Jose.
Founded Nino
Abu
by
Bakar.
Abu Bakar. Okay? Kailan? 14.
Astaghfirullah, Lamela, forgive
Pag
me.
sinasabi natin external criticism, anong tatandaan?
Content. Form.
Internal
Content.
Internal content. Anong mnemonics natin? Ethic. Okay? Ethic. Internal content, external form. Alin na yan? Yes. Pag sinasabi naman natin sino ang dumating noong 1521?
Magellan.
Western people.
Western
Okay?
people.
Ano yung treaty na nag-divide sa mundo sa dalawa?
Treaty of
Tordesillas. Okay?
Tordesillas.
Anong mnemonics natin dyan? Peos.
Peos.
Okay? Peos.
Portugal East, West
for
Spain.
Okay? Portugal East, West for Spain. May social classes pa tayo during that time dito sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. Yes. Anong mnemonics natin dyan?
Pimpi.
Pimpi. Sino anak ni Chris Aquino?
Bimbi.
Si Pimpi, di ba? P for Peninsulares. I for Insulares. M for Mestizo. P for Principalia. The last one is Indio. Pag ikaw ay Espanyol, sinilang sa Espanya. Peninsulares.
Peninsulares.
Pag ikaw Espanyol, sinilang dito.
Insulares.
Pag ikaw may digong manyaga.
Mestizos.
Pag naman ikaw ay membro ng Ilustrado.
Principalia.
Principalia. Listen, anong pagkakaiba ng Principalia at Ilustrado? Ang
Ilustrado.
Ilustrado po, nakapag-aral, enlightened, middle class sila. Ano naman po ang Principalia?
Katutos.
Local elite sa Pilipinas.
Katutos.
Principalia tawag. Okay? Pag naman po natives,
Indios.
pag-usapan natin ng Spanish policies, pag sinasabi natin town, pueblo, pag sinasabi natin town center, Cabecera, pag sinasabi naman natin
Tos.
center, ayuntamiento, pag sinasabi natin product tax, bandala, pag sinasabi naman natin tax collectors, cabeza de barangay yun. Pag sinasabi natin indulto de comercio, ano ibig sabihin? Pribilehiyo yan ng gobernador na mag-engage sa trade. Pag sinasabi natin pacified area during the Spaniards, alcaldía. Pag sinasabi natin unpacified areas during the Spaniards, unpacified. That's corregimiento. Pag sinasabi natin product tax, bandala. Pag sinasabi natin polo, sa pilitang paggawa. Yung worker ng polo, polista. Okay? Pag ikaw ay may maraming pera, tamad ka magtrabaho, bayad ka ng FALA. Anong tawag? FALA. Government led by friars. Ano yun?
Friarocracy.
Again, government led by friars.
Phylocracy.
Bureaucracy. Pag-usapan natin ang Order of Spanish Expedition sa Pilipinas. Sinong nauna? Magellan. Sino
Magellan.
sumunod? Loaiza. Sinong pangatlo? Cabot. Okay, sinong pang
Portuguese.
apat? Saavedra. Sinong pang lima? Villalobos. Sinong pang huli?
Legazpi.
Legazpi. Ano yung lumalabas sa board exam dyan? Sino nagpangalan sa Pilipinas ng Las Islas Filipinas? Villalobos. Sino naman ang nagpangalan sa Pilipinas ng Archipelago of St. Lazarus?
Magellan.
Magellan. Sino naman ang first Governor General of the Philippines? Legazpi. Okay? The first missionaries in the Philippines. Agustinians.
Agustinian.
Ano yung natin
Af
dyan?
JDR.
JDR.
Benedicts.
P. Agustinians, Franciscans,
LCD6.
Jesuits, Dominicans, Recollets, and the Benedicts. Sino pang uli?
Benedicts.
Okay? Pag sinasabi natin nagbibigay ng discussion about faith in the belief of God,
Si
Agustin. Pag sinasabi natin reasons in the belief of God, Thomas Aquinas. Okay? Pag sinasabi natin presidente sa panahon ng Spaniards, okay? Panahon ng pre-Hispanic, sino nga yan?
That-
Ang dato, di ba? Ang Royal Audienza sa panahon natin ngayon,
Supreme Court.
ano siya? Supreme Court. Okay? Supreme Court, Royal Audienza sa panahon natin ngayon. Pag-usapan natin ang 5 ships ni Magellan. Ano yung 5 ships ni Magellan?
Santiago, San Antonio. Santiago, San Antonio. Santiago, San Antonio, Victoria, Trinidad, and Concepcion.
Mnemonics muna. TSBSC. Trinidad, San Antonio, Victoria, Santiago, and Concepcion. Ilan tayo sa board exam? Sino ang hindi kasali? Sagot natin. Cartagena.
Cartagena.
Sa Pilipinas si Magellan. March 16, 1521. Okay? Sino ang interpreter niya? Si
Si
Pedro Tian.
no, si Enrique M. Malacca.
Enrique of Malacca.
Bye bye everyone.